In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add somebody's name to the subject line in Klaviyo. So you can do this for campaigns or flows, it doesn't matter. And what you want to do, go to the subject line. I'm going to put hey, and I'm going to put their name. So the way you do this is you go curly bracket, I'll zoom a bit for you, curly bracket, space, first underscore name underscore curly bracket. Make sure it's formatted exactly like this. Now, you can also do this preview text. Now, after you do this, you're going to make sure you want to test. You're going to want to test it. So I'm just going to save this. Go continue to review. And there should be a test option. Oh, here we go. Review preview. So we can see on the subject it says, "Hey Harvey." So we can see that it worked. Now, if I wanted to add some format in there, I could add a bit of a space after the comma to make it look a bit better. But yeah, that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thanks for watching.